Tady je to vlastně úl a v úle máme ty naše studenty, včeličky, máme jesličky, školku a základní školu první a druhý stupeň.
Beehive is a small school where I see it more as a family together, all the children and the teachers.
I appreciate most at the school the class sizes. We keep class sizes here to a mid-range, and that allows for more direct education and a lot more focus on the individual.
I love teaching here. It's like a family.
Když se řekne Beehive, tak se mi vybaví úl plný zvídavých dětí, které se rádi vzdělávají.
Beehive School in 3 words: engaging, honest and fun.
I like every day. Every day is a good experience. Just watching the kids learn is fantastic.
You should choose Beehive School because we're the best and we're a big family.